As another day in the life of my wheel doctor, Houston Wheel Repair. We got a Porsche we're working on. Beside it, we got a Rolls Royce Cullinan. We're doing some wheel repair. We actually painted these wheels the color to match the car. He curved them, he rashed them. So we're going to fix these wheels up, get it back to the factory look. You know, as you can see, he scratched them up pretty bad. And over here, he's got a big gouge out of it there. So we're gonna fix them up, guys. We deal with a lot of high-line luxury cars. This is what we do. This is our specialty. We got cars over here, this Laramie truck. We're doing the black out the wheels and painting the calipers. We got another Cadillac where we're painting the calipers on this Cadillac. We got a Ford, old school Ford F-150. We're blacking out the wheels and we're going to paint the calipers. Now, look at how we pay attention to detail, and we tape up and we mask off the calipers to make sure you don't get any overspray. I mean, there's no overspray, okay, guys? It's going to have a factory look, but we specialize in doing luxury cars and any type of car. Bring it to us, mywheeldoctor.com. Houston Wheel Repair, 713-942-0294. This is another reason why we are the best.